Alright, making up a new recipe for some Amish meatballs. We've mixed them up, the ingredients, the evaporated coconut milk, onion, oats, and all the goody stuff. And now I'm going to cook up the sauce to pour on top. We're going to break down this sauce and then pour it on top of the meatballs. Alright, the sauce is nice and ready to pour onto the meatballs. Alright, sauce is on. These bad boys are gonna go into the oven. Mashallah. Alright, meatballs looking super juicy. They didn't dry out or anything. I'll scoop these into a bowl so you can see what they look like plated. Woo-wee, steaming hot. Looking good. Super savory. I think you will like these as well. And, man, need some potato salad now. Hope you enjoy. The sauce came out nice and sticky. The meat mixture marinade on point. Not disappointed. And make sure when you bake yours, do not overbake because you want them to be juicy. The color is nice and bright. Definitely could serve this with some pasta salad, some watermelon, something crisp and refreshing, you know, cucumber salad maybe on the side, and a nice tea. Alright, hope you get to try it as well.